This full metallic robotic looking smartwatch does look great from the outside, but I'm really curious how would it look from the inside. Let's find out then. Okay, so this how the thing looks, and yeah, the back of it can be removed. So this thing is pretty cool, and now I'm going to open this thing up and show you how does it look. So let's switch this thing off, and yeah, the back panel can be removed, and it's pretty cool to see a smartwatch on which the back panel can be removed, because nowadays the smartwatches which are made, the back cannot be removed. So this is how the back panel looks. So the back panel is removed because you can install battery in it, and also a SIM and an SD card. Let's open this up then. This thing has 4 Phillips head screws. Now I'm going to use a Phillips head screwdriver to open this thing up. Okay, so all the screws are removed. The back panel is removed easily. The back panel does not have anything. Well, it used to have the vibration motor and the speaker, and now they are gone. So this does not have anything. Let's open up the. Okay, so this thing is the motherboard of this thing, this watch. These are the LCD ribbon connectors, these are the antenna lines, these are the processors, the micro SIM and the SD card slots are sorted in it. Let's open this thing up then. It is pretty hard to open this, but yeah, I've done it. So the LCD screen ribbons are removed now. I'm going to lift up the motherboard. So motherboard looks like this, and there's nothing, pretty much nothing under this thing. So this thing has a 0.5 megapixel camera, a microphone, 2 buttons, and a micro USB charging port. This is the screen of it, and this is how it looks, the LCD screen. This is the digitizer, and yeah, this is the protective glass over it. Sorry, I dropped it. So let's close this up again and see if it works. And this is how it looks. So let's close up the screen ribbon cables with it. The screen is attached with it. Now let's cover this up with the back panel. Let's close this up with the screws. And these are the screw looks. Okay, so with the last screw, the whole back panel is closed up. Now let's put in the battery, and close this thing up with the back cover and see if it starts or not. Yeah, so this thing does start up. So this was a pretty hard project, by the way, and yeah, I really enjoyed doing it. So if you like this video, please subscribe my channel, and please give a like and a comment, and please share the video. Okay then, peace. Oh, one more thing, if you like to send me something to do video on, you can send in the description given below. Bye bye then.